In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a file in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll be able to drop a document right onto your Loop page so your team can access it without hunting for links. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and click the cloud icon to get to the Loop home experience. This brings you to the place where all your workspaces and pages live. If you're already signed in with your work or school account, you'll land on the dashboard. If not, just make sure you're signed in so Loop can show you your content. Next, choose the workspace you want. A workspace is basically a container for related pages and components. Think of it like a project folder. Picking the right one helps keep your files organized and makes it easier for teammates to find what they need later. Now click on a free space on your Loop page where you want the file to go. You're setting the insertion point. You can click between existing blocks or at the bottom of the page. Any open spot works. You should see your text cursor appear, which tells you Loop is ready to accept whatever you paste there. Head to your document in Google Drive or OneDrive and copy it. The easiest and most reliable approach is to copy the share link for that file. In Google Drive or OneDrive, use the copy link option so Loop can create a live clickable card. Quick tip: double check the link's permissions. If you want your teammates to open it without requests, set it so people in your organization or anyone with the link can view or edit, depending on your needs. Back in Loop, right-click where your cursor is on the page. On a touchpad, a two-finger click works the same. If nothing pops up, click once in the page to make sure it's active, then try again. Choose Paste. Loop will place the link right where you clicked, and in a second or two, it should render a preview card with the file's title and icon. That card stays linked to the original document, so everyone always opens the current version. If you see options like inserting as a link or a preview, leaving it as a preview card is usually the most helpful for visibility. From here, you can drag to reposition it, add notes above or below the card, or mention a teammate for quick reviews. And if a preview doesn't load, it's almost always a permissions issue. Adjust the file's share settings and refresh the page. That's it. You've inserted a file in Microsoft Loop quickly and